decision to place an elderly member of your family in a long-term care residence can be an emotional one. You want to know your loved ones are going to get care that not only supports their physical needs, but also their emotional, social, and spiritual needs as well. Few facilities can provide all that better than the one we're visiting today. Hi, I'm Janice Marie, and we're here today in Highland Park, New Jersey, at the Francis E. Parker Memorial Home. For over 100 years, Parker has built an unsurpassed reputation offering services to seniors, and is one of only a few communities in the state that's a registered Eden alternative home. That's a philosophy that embraces aging as part of one's continued growth in life, and not as part of a decline. And as you'll see, that philosophy makes a real difference.
Francis Parker Memorial Home is a wonderful long-term care community that's been in this area for over 100 years. We serve over 200 residents and participants every day, and we provide a range of services from skilled nursing care to assisted living to adult day health services.
You're a not-for-profit facility. What does that mean to you in terms of the types of services you can provide and the quality of care you're able to give as well?
Ever since Parker was founded over 100 years ago, our philosophy has been to provide excellent care in a very affordable way. We're a nonprofit organization committed to providing that service at the highest level, provide at the lowest cost possible as well. We are committed to taking care of our residents and their families and our staff. That's part of our commitment, and we are here to do that.
I'm the director of the Adult Day Health Program here at Parker. It is Parker's only community-based service, and what I mean by that, it allows people to live in their home and come here on a day, 2 to 5 days a week, and use our services from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. So it honors their need to want to live at home, but also their need to have clinical services and social services in a setting. When we enroll a person in the program here at Adult Day Health, we really enroll two people. We enroll the person and we also enroll their family. Because being a caregiver is a very stressful job, and a lot of families need support and education and peace of mind knowing that their loved one is cared for when they're here in the program. And having their loved one here during the day allows them to focus on the future and be a little more proactive in planning. And we're the person they lean on to talk about long-term care options, possibly assisted living, how to handle changes at home. And that's what we love to do, to be able to support one another.
My mind is at ease because I know that they have activities planned for her, and it varies. And, she comes home happy. That's all I need to know. And, I call sometimes, or they will give me a call. We communicate, which is great. And because of that, I feel really at ease. I know I have nothing to worry about.
I want the families of our residents and those people that Parker could take care of to know that Parker is here as a resource for them. It is very difficult to make a decision to place a loved one in a long-term care facility. It's very difficult. It's more difficult for the families than for the residents themselves in many cases. But Parker is here to provide a service. Parker is here committed to provide a level of quality which is very unique and very distinct than other long-term care facilities out there.
Parker has been a real support for us. Parker's been very helpful, very caring. They've just guided us. They've guided me into understanding, so much as part of the diseases, what is normal, what's not normal. I've never done this before. These are my parents. I care about them. I love them dearly. They cared for us as kids, my sister and I, and we want to have the best for them.
The Eden Alternative is really the foundation of everything that goes on here. Tell us more about that and what that means in terms of what people can expect when they come here.
The Eden Alternative is a philosophy of caring. What we find with elders is really the issue about boredom, loneliness, and helplessness. That's more of what our elders are suffering from, more than from clinical issues. And our responsibility is to overcome those, and some of the ways we overcome those is through introducing children, plants, and animals into the environment. So when you come into Parker Home, you see children, you see intergenerational programs, you see animals. We have several cats, and in the assisted living there's also dogs. We also have lots of plants. We have a lot of indoor and or outdoor sort of environments so that it's like home.
So that's the Parker community, serving seniors and their families for over 100 years. From Highland Park, New Jersey, reporting for Close Up on America's Business, I'm Janice Marie.